Okay, you're throwing 3 dice, so there's 6 choices for the first die, 6 choices for the second, and 6 choices for the third. And what we want is the probability of throwing 10 in a single throw of 3 dice. So you can have 3 things showing here, right? So it's really a triplet of numbers. And how can I do that? Well, there's a variety of ways of doing it, but let me just start off. Let me start off with 6. In other words, 6 is showing. And then, what number down from 6? You couldn't do, you want to get a 10. So what's the next? And there's 3 of them showing, by the way. You couldn't use a 6 for the next one because that would be too much. It would be 12. If you use 5, you get 11. That's too much. If you use 4, you get 10 right to mark. But you can't do that because you need another thing showing over here. So 6, 3, 1. All right? That's one possibility, by the way. By the way, there's an arrangement of that, but let's not worry about that. That's one possibility right over here. All right? Let's talk about another one, right? We did the 6, 3, 1. And let's talk about another one now. Let's talk about, if you had the 5. And we'll talk about this one step at a time. Well, if you had 5, what's the next number down from that you could have? I guess you could have a 4, right? And then how many choices do you have for this over here? You want a 10, just a 1, right? Right, this is another outcome. And by the way, we'll count them up later. All right, we'll count them up later because there's an arrangement to that, right, a permutation of that. So let's take a look. We got 6, 3, 1, 5, 4, 1. And let's do another one. Let's do 6, 2, 2. That's another possibility, isn't it? And is there another one? Let's see. I think I've exhausted the 5. It's always tough to enumerate, isn't it? I think I've exhausted the 5. The 6. I think I've taken care of the 6 and the 5. I think I should move on to 4. Right, 5, 4, 1. All right, let's do the 4. No, I've already exhausted the 5. I got another one. 5, 2, 3. There's another one. We're on 4 now. So, 4, 4, 2. And let's keep going. And I'm just enumerating the possibilities. We have to get their orders later, which is always difficult. And we'll do it later. But let me see the 4s. Have I done that yet? 4, 4, 2. I guess I could go 4, 4, 4, 3, 3. Okay, let's do it. Let's do the easy ones first, the ones where all the numbers are different. This over here, there's 6 ways of doing that. All right, let's do the next one, where all the numbers are unique. This one over here, there's 6 ways to do that. There's 6 ways to do this. All right, let's do the other ones. This over here, just want to point out what I'm doing. 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial. There's only 3 ways to do that. There's 3 ways to do that. And there's 3 ways to do that. All right, let's count them up. A lot of counting. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 27. I'm going to do this a little differently. I'm going to do 6 times 36. I'm going to reduce it by 3. 3 goes into 27 9 times, and it goes into 6 2 times. I'm starting to see a 3 again. 3, and this goes in 12 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So what do I get? 1/8. All right? A lot of counting, by the way. All right? 1/8. Thank you.